This is the most expensive electricity in the entire operation. All the kilowatt hours you use across the whole operation, we're at this rate, it's worth about $320,000 a year. So the discussion here is a high value discussion. So it's not like you plug into the grid and you're gonna pay 9 cents. That would be a static rate. It's not how it works. I say, why did this go undetected for all this time? Meters is what you actually use, but billed is what you paid for. The penalties went on, you can see how bad they are. This was, you use $7.92, you pay for $9.12. I mean, that's horrific. There are a lot of opportunities to save costs and avoid penalties. It has nothing to do with having efficient lights or efficient equipment. It's how efficiently you use energy from the grid. How difficult you make it for the utility to meet your demands. The utility is required by state law to meet that demand at any time during the year that you ask for it. So you might only need that high demand one time of the year, but the utility is on the hook to provide that to you every day of the year, every hour of the day. I mentioned that at Elkhart, you know, they've had a swing of rates over 20 cents and down to 8 cents. Talking about procurement earlier, you know, you buy something, you want to make sure the price is right, you want to make sure it's performing, you want to make sure there's no flaws in it and so forth. So we have to do the same thing with electricity, because this is a great rate. It can be better. I have people on this rate, clients that are paying in the high 7, low 8 cent range. If you're doing everything perfectly, you're going to arrive at the lowest theoretical rate that you can possibly pay. No one ever gets there, but you can get close. Well, what's better is actually to reduce the size of your van, to make sure you're not peaking. I'm going to show you in some charts here later. One peak for 30 minutes, once a month. Michigan is it's a lot higher cost state, and but Indiana's catching up. Indiana's losing its cost advantage. That's important to know as you compete nationwide and globally. I mean, if you're losing your cost advantage, there's action needed. The good news is there's opportunity, and that's the big reason why we're here today, is to figure out how to get this down.